Hey y'all, it's Kitty. So today I am doing a Sleeping Beauty inspired eye look, and this eye look is in collaboration with Alaini Boutte here on YouTube. I will link her over here as well as down below. She is also doing a Sleeping Beauty inspired look. It's inspired by Aurora, specifically from Sleeping Beauty. So we're both working from the same inspiration, but we're going to see what kind of looks we both come up with. I am so excited to see what she comes up with, and I'm so excited to start doing this look. I have an image in my mind, but I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to do that image justice. Quick interruption here. I know I look whack, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about what Alaini does on her channel. She does a lot of Project Pan videos. What I really like about her videos is that she'll talk about the dollar amount that she spent a lot of times, and so the dollar amount that is using up, and I think that's really cool. So we will see what I can do. So I've primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion and set them with the lightest shade in my E.L.F. Mad for Matte Summer Breeze eyeshadow palette. So if you watched my Disney Project Pan video, you would know that my favorite scene from the movie Sleeping Beauty is when the fairies are making her dress, and they're going back and forth, and they can't decide what color to make it, so they go make it blue, make it pink, make it blue, make it pink, and I am not doing the scene justice. But what I was thinking was make it blue, make it pink. So I'm going to do two different colors on my two different eyes, and I fully intend to film another video in this look and go out in it. So we're going to see what I can do. I've attempted this in the past, and my biggest problem is that the blue look is a lot darker than the pink look, but we're gonna see what we can do, see if we can make it look good. And yeah, so we're gonna start with the pink eye. So I'm going to go into Poodle from Colourpop and just put that in my crease. I'm going to use my Colourpop E9 brush. It does not look clean. I cleaned it off in my color switch. I really need to clean my brushes. But if I clean my brushes now, they're not going to be dry for this video. And I really need to film this video because I don't have a lot of time to film. I've been doing a lot of pre-filming, filming multiple videos in a day because most days I don't have time to film. And I try and get 2 to 3 videos out a week. So I'm just going to start by putting Poodle into my crease. So now I'm going to go into Stay Golden by Colourpop and use that to darken up my outer corner. Now I'm going to go into my Violet Voss Rainbow palette and go into Flamingo and put that all over the lid. And I'm going to be using my fingers to do that. Now this is Flamingo, but Violet Voss is coming out with a Flamingo palette, and I am so hyped for that. I really want that palette. So I'm not sure I'm done with the pink eye yet, but I'm gonna move on to the blue eye for now so I can see what we're working with here. I'm going to go into Oasis by Sydney Grace Cosmetics. I got this fairly recently, and I am so excited. From what I've used of the Sydney Grace Cosmetics eyeshadows, they are super blendable, super pigmented, and super fun. And I'm going in on my E.L.F. blending eye brush. Next, I'm going to go into this Sephora Shadow right here, the big one, and darken up the outer corner just a little bit. Next, I'm going to go back into the Violet Voss Rainbow palette and go into Figi and put that all over my lid as well with my fingers. Now I'm going to go in and clean up some of the fallout. So as a final step for both eyes, I'm going to go in with this shade, which is Mystic Rain from my Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, the one that's right up here. Now this is a blue-pink duochrome, so what I'm gonna do is highlight both inner corners with it in hopes that it'll tie the look together a little bit. And I'm going in on my Wet n Wild small concealer brush. So this is what the look looks like right now. I'm going to put on the rest of my face and mascara, and I will be right back and I will show you the final look. So this is the completed look. I'm not wearing lipstick at the moment because I can't decide what kind of lipstick color would look good with this. I have a pink highlighter on this side and a blue highlighter on this side. I don't know if it looks good or if I actually look a little bit like a clown, but I'm really loving it, so that's what matters. Once again, this is a collab with Alaini Boutte. I will have her linked over here as well as down below, and as soon as I get her video, I will have that linked down below as well. So I'll have her channel as well as her video of her doing the same inspiration. What do you think? And who is your favorite Disney princess? We were thinking of making this a series, so what princess would you like to see us do next? Also, would you wear a look like this out? Because I totally am going to. I think I'm going to the mall later today, and I fully plan to keep this on. I would love it if you could like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others, and it would really help me out. And I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!